when asked to express the area of a right triangle as a function of blah, 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 this is just a fancy way of really saying I want to write an equation that says A equals when I do this. So let's go ahead and maybe draw a picture to help me figure out what's going on with this problem. So I've got a right triangle, so let me just get a quick sketch of this. So there's my right triangle. They asked me to write it as a function of x, and this time to make it kind of confusing, they're saying x is the longer side. So I'm stuck with saying that this side is x. Where it gets tricky is they say that this longer side is 4 times the length of the shorter side. So I'm used to doing like stuff like, well, I'll say it's 4x. The problem is, well, that would make the shorter side longer. So instead I have to think, well, if this side is supposed to be 4 times as long and I'm stuck calling it x, what's the sort of opposite of saying 4 times as long? Well, the shorter side then must be 1/4 as long. And so that'll have the same effect as making this 4 times as long, but I'm stuck calling this x because of the way the problem was worded. It's annoying, right? But once I have this picture drawn, it's relatively easy to find my equation. You hopefully recall that to find the area of a triangle, it's equal to 1/2 of the base times the height. So if I plug some values in, I'm saying my base, in the way I drew it, is x, and then the height, the way I drew it, is 1/4 x. That makes that longer side 4 times as long. And so if I simplify this, 1/2 times 1/4 is 1/8, and then x times x is x squared. So there's my equation. If I want to write it all technical about how they said write a or express the area as a function of x, I'm going to write it like this. The area, and I'm going to do the sort of f of x notation, although a of x this time, is equal to 1/8 x squared. So kind of an easy problem, but they've made it annoying with the way they've set it up, but that's what they're looking for, the area as a function of x.